you are going into nursing, and so this is going to be old hats to you, I'm sure. Well, let's think about blood type for just a few minutes. How many types of blood, not considering the Rh factor, positive or negative, just the other thing, right, the AB, blah, 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 blah. How many blood types are there?
4.
4, and what are they?
A, B,
So let's not worry about positive and negative.
AB.
AB. Okay, so those are the 4 blood types, right? Now, actually, there are 3 alleles. There is an A allele, a B allele, and an allele that says you don't express either A or B. And really, A or B is just a protein that's expressed on the surface of the red blood cell. It's an identity marker. So individuals with A-type blood produce an A-type protein. Individuals with B-type blood produce a B-type protein. And those with O-type blood don't express a protein at all. Okay? So the alleles are, so this is phenotype. The alleles are A, B, and O. The question is, what are the genotypes associated with each of these phenotypes? How do you get A-type blood? You can have 2 copies of the A allele, for sure. What else? A what? AO. AO. Because both of those blood types are going to express only the A-type protein, right? So how about B? Or, most unfortunately, BO. Okay, so how about O-type blood? OO. And then AB-type blood? You only have 2 copies of the allele. Just AB, right? Of those, which is the universal donor? O, right? Because what happens if you take the wrong type of blood, your immune system, if you're A-type blood, you get B. If you're A and you get B blood, your immune system recognizes that wrong protein, and it begins to attack those blood cells. It begins to clot up. Okay, so this is the question. What cross could you do between these genotypes to have offspring with any type of blood? That is, among the offspring, you can have A, B, AB, and O-type blood. What would you cross? You have to pick 2 parents with 2 genotypes. AO and BO, exactly right. Lots of people think AB and OO, but this is the only one that's going to give you all possible genotypes. Because this is going to give you AB, right? That's going to give you B-type blood. That's going to give you A-type blood. That's going to give you O-type blood. Who's the universal recipient? You can receive any type of blood.
AB.
AB. Because your body recognizes both proteins. So if you happen to be AB positive, that's the genetic lottery. You can receive any type of blood. Last story. I know I'm over time. Last story though. I was teaching this lecture in Dallas, and I had a student say to me, you know, my mom, she has A-type blood, and my dad has O-type blood. And my younger brother, he has AB-type blood. How does that happen? Exactly. Yeah, so you and your brother have dad. Is the answer to that.
Is that how they do genetics? Like how they like...
How'd you like to learn that in biology? That's what I actually said was mutations happen.
Is that how you find your like, when they're like, oh, is that my baby or not? Is that what they do?
They can, yep, that's one way to do it. But there are other genetic markers which you can use as well. Okay, so this is going to be the end of the content for the exam on Monday. Okay? If you guys have questions, please don't hesitate to ask via email or